Here's the affiliate dashboard of how over $13,000 has been made in commission. And to show you how easy this is, from my screen here, you can see that there are payouts to people every minute like you who are taking advantage of this particular money-making opportunity. But before you just go ahead and sign up on this site, make sure to watch this video to the end because I'll be spilling some secrets and cheat codes to help you get the best out of it and even make up to $300 on your first sign up without even doing anything yet. By the way, I'll be leaving all the relevant links in the description. So I'm going to start afresh and show you step by step like a total beginner. And the first thing, obviously, you want to do is click the first link in my description to sign up on Temu. That way, you will be getting $100 coupon to get anything of your choice, as well as even free gifts on your purchase. So once you do that, scroll to the bottom, you can click it and it will take you to the affiliate marketing program page, or better still, you want to click the next link in my description because that way you get $2 free upfront. You also get up to $300 credit, and I'm going to show you how you can claim that, and up to 20% commission on each purchase. Now, this freebies, you cannot get it anywhere, so I suggest you hop on this as soon as you can now that these bonuses are available at your disposal. So once you've signed up, this is a new account, and imagine a new account and already have a bonus on the way. I already have $12 here. So now there are three major ways to earning with this Temu affiliate program. I'm going to show you how to leverage each of them and make the best out of it. The first one is the affiliate, the second one is the influencer, and the third one is the invite affiliate. I'm also going to be letting you in on what this hot items is about and how you can also leverage it. So with the affiliate, you can simply promote products on Temu by sharing your link. And once anybody signs up or buys a product via your link, you get up to 20% commission per purchase as well as a $10 reward. And do note that the commission will be paid to you 3 days after which whatever package that has been ordered has been delivered. You can easily do this by sharing to your family and friends if you do not want to engage in anything serious. And if they sign up with your link, they can also get a $100 coupon bundle, free gifts, exclusive deals, and also get to save big with Temu. However, the best way to leverage on this affiliate is not just blasting your links everywhere. As much as that is good, but it is not sustainable and you will make way less than any target earning you set for yourself. But the best way you want to do is create a single social media platform, and you want to simply create content. For example, this particular commission here is from one of the videos I made in the past. So if you go to my channel, you see a few of videos I've made on Temu, and from there, I've already gotten a commission pending. So that is to show you that this actually works. This can be even done passively because as long as people will keep watching your videos, they will be prompted to sign up and take advantage of the Temu website. Any other social media can work. It doesn't have to be YouTube. It could be Twitter. It could be Instagram. It could be Facebook. It could be TikTok. You simply want to create content that will attract people with regards to products gotten on Temu. And you can just attach your link either in the description or in the link in bio, depending on whatever social medium you are making use of. You can see this person is simply making a reaction video, and you can see that he has put his coupon code here for people to be able to easily make use of his coupon code. Now, just to break it down for you, when new app users download Temu, that means when somebody downloads Temu for the first time with your link, or the person reinstalls Temu after 14 days through your link, you will get a 20% commission on any order that person places within 30 days of downloading the app. You also get a $10 reward for every referral who downloads an order. And you also get 5 to 20% commission when you refer 50 new downloads or orders. You can easily click get, and that way you will be able to get your deep link. You copy it and promote it however you want to. You can also see your different individual links. You can see they want to get just $100 coupon bundle. They want to get free gifts, and they want to get exclusive deals as well as save big. And it's also stated there that this $100 coupon bundle is both for new app downloads and reinstalled users. But the free gift, however, is just for new app users if you're using the app for the first time or you're downloading it for the first time. The exclusive deal is also for new app users, and the save big is for all users. Now, one way to leverage this, since I told you about creating content, you can either pick random content on Temu, either about your everyday life. So if you are a fashion person, you may want to maybe pick some unique items that you already use and you like, and simply search them on Temu and promote your links. Or if you are a tech-savvy person, you can promote items in relation to tech to help, remote working, like laptop holders and, other things, maybe mouse pad or mouse, whatever it is. However, these hot items make your life easier. These hot items is constantly updated, where Temu shares the best-selling products that contains the most reviews and that are selling out fast. So this way, you have kind of an idea on things that you can promote and they will sell out fast. This is 4.7 reviews, 4.4 reviews, 4.8 reviews, and all these products are the products that are hot items now. You can easily pick this product, search for any video on TikTok that makes reference to this product, and simply start re-promoting those videos. Make sure to give, credit to whomever those videos belong to. But that is the easiest and fastest way. Once you do that, it will keep making money for you as long as people see your videos. Now, the second on the list is the influencer. And I'm just going to be explaining how this influencer program works. So with this influencer program, this is where you can get up to $300 authorization credits, meaning once you follow the rules and set it up, you can make up to $300. I'm going to be explaining that in a minute. You can also get 2,500 post reward per month, and your commission range gets to expand over time, and also free sponsorship up to $10,000. So it's as you make use of it that all this gets unlocked. Now, if you have not authorized your account, if you have not done any authorization, the benefits that are available to you is 20% in commission for new app users and others. So if anybody uses your link, you get 20% commission of whatever product they buy, and also $10 download reward. This is just like the affiliate program. Now, how does this work? First of all, you want to authorize your account just to gain this authorization benefit. When you click on detail here, you are able to see the requirements. So the base requirement is when you authorize any social media, whether it's YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram, you get an amount of credit. If you have between 200 to 500 followers, you have more than 100 videos, you get a credit of $25 to $50. If you have up to 5 million plus followers that are subscribers, then you can get up to $150 to $300 credits. Now for TikTok, this is the same, their base requirements for it. 500 to 1,000, you have 15 to 30, then 5 million plus 150 to 300. You just want to take a look at that. Now, there are other requirements to note. You must have published content, either it's post, reels, or videos in the last 90 days. So you don't want to use a dormant social media account. After fulfilling this criteria, there will be a thorough evaluation. And if you fit the requirement, then they will give you your credit issuance. But as long as you fit the requirement, then you're as good as getting it. Now, the way this thing works is you join to earn these several things. So there are several opportunities to earn. You make posts or make videos about several things. You can invite to earn. You can see Valentine's Day special code. You can see Valentine's Day gift inspiration, top Temu products, and the likes. Now, how do you make these videos? How do you make this post? What you want to do is you click join to earn. You want to read all the requirements. You can see it's either YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok. So it has to be one of these three. So if it's YouTube, 2 approved shots, 1 approved video, 1 approved post. You want to read through the requirements. They will tell you the duration of your video, the duration of your shots, what the video should aim at, the number of views, the number of shots. And this is pretty easy and achievable because they say aim to achieve 50 views within the first 30 days, which is literally doable. In 30 days, hitting 50 on a YouTube video. And shots, strive to hit 100 views between the first 30 days. This is 100% doable. So once you do all that, you also want to take note of the content requirements because they have a special way they want their products to appear or their company to appear and the kind of things that should be highlighted in this video. And once you have taken note of all of that, you read through all of it, you can see also some reference for you to understand an idea. You can then click the join campaign. Once you click on the join campaign, you'll be able to take your link. This is the link you'll be using for the influencer program. So each of those categories of any have their different link. for the influencer program, this will be the link you'll be using. And when anybody signs up through this link, you will be credited via this link. So you want to copy this and post. And once you have created your video, created your post in line with requirements, you want to click on submit link. Here you'll be able to submit the link to your post or the link to your video so that they can check it and of course give you your due rewards. Now, this is the same for several other campaigns that are there. You want to read through each of them because they all have their different requirements. Now, for the invite affiliate, you can make up to $75 per invited affiliate. So you can invite new people to join the Temu affiliate program and you still make money. Here is where you can track your on hold progress. So if you click on hold, you can see your earnings, and the ones on hold is the same thing with this affiliate. When anybody clicks you can see here pending, you'll be able to open it and see what exactly is pending, if it's a new download, if it's a new order, whatever it is. For this program, if you're signing up, ensure that you are 18 years or older because that is the threshold to be able to leverage this money-making opportunity. For the invitation guide, you can earn up to $70 just by inviting a new affiliate with over 500 followers on either TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube. That means once this affiliate has authorized their account and they have over 500 followers, you stand a chance to earn up to $70. And as well, you can earn $5 per invite of a new affiliate who has earned any commission in the affiliate program. Now, for the secondary commission, you would as well earn 20% on every commission that your downline makes. Now, do know that this commission does not have any effect on your downline. This commission is simply a reward from Temu for your own hard work. Now, to the exclusive benefits for new affiliates, when your own new affiliates click your own link, they will get $2 welcome gifts, $300 free credit, as well as 20% commission. So this is something that your affiliates will get just by joining with your link, as well as many other perks. Now, there are some other ways that you can earn money with this. Now, if you click on the affiliates here, and if you look to the right-hand side, you can see some campaigns that you can join, like ranking race, referral race, and return perks. These usually get updated, so they are different kind of, not really campaigns, but they are more like competitions that you can join and stand a chance to earn more. So if you want to get more details, you simply click on get. This is basically for ranking race, depending on how well you are doing, and if you get to rank at the top, you stand a chance to win more. So you simply want to click share to earn, and you will be able to get your link in order to enter this particular competition. Now, this goes as well for the referral race, as well as the $12 return perk. So you can simply click on get and see what it's about. This one is basically about completing tasks. So if you can complete all of these tasks, you get to earn $9 attached. Now, on to the very important part, which is the withdrawal aspect, because when you are making money and you're putting in hard work into stuff like this, you want to be sure on how you want to withdraw. So this withdrawal process goes the same for both the affiliate, the influencer, and the invite affiliate. You simply want to click on the withdraw at the right-hand corner on the screen, and you can see that it is $20 minimum to withdraw. And this is the same that goes for both the influencer and the invite affiliate. For the withdrawal process, you can either withdraw via PayPal or Temu credit. Now, what exactly is Temu credit? Temu credit is more like having Temu money, and this is what you can use to make purchase. However, I don't think it's so much rational to leave about thousands of dollars in Temu credit. I don't know, maybe I am different, but I mean, if you're leaving over $13,000, I don't know. But then that is how Temu credit works. Another way that you can withdraw your own commissions is by leveraging PayPal. Now, PayPal is simply an easy way that you can get paid. And if you do not have a PayPal account, you want to go ahead and sign up. Go to paypal.com. It's easy and quick. You just follow the step-by-step process. These are the only two ways that you can get paid. So you need to have a PayPal account if you do not want to leverage Temu credit. Now, I am very well aware that there are some countries that there are some restrictions with creating a PayPal account, countries like Nigeria and several other countries. However, I have created a video on how you can create a working PayPal account that can send and receive money. I will be attaching the video to the end of this video. So you want to go ahead and check that out. Feel free to go over this video again just to understand fully how exactly it works and how best you should be leveraging on this. Believe me, right now that this is hot, this is when you want to take advantage of this, because companies like this can decide to amend their affiliate programs over time, and these perks may not be as juicy as it may be in the future. So you want to take advantage of that right now. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't, and I would see you in the next video. Ciao.